Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to show you about the brake light problem. You can see the two bulbs is working and one is not working. Let's see where is the problem. Some If the two bulb is working and one is not working means the fuse is okay. Problem in holder or bulb. Let's open the light. There have a two screw, one here and the one downside. You can see the two screw. Open this two screw. Now remove the lights. It's really very easy to remove. And remove the connector. There have a one connector. We need a star Allen key for remove the light bulb lights. It's T20. There are three screw. Remove this three screw and remove the bulb panel. You can see the one bulb is burned. You can see this is black inside, it's burned. I have one new. Now see, this is a new one. Now I have to fix the new one. See the number of bulb 3157. It's the number of bulb. Fix it now. Fix the connector and before fixing light, check it's working or not working good. But sometimes the problem in holder. There have inside the clips. Just tight the clips little bit. Now fix the bulb again. Press the brake. You can see it's working now. Press the brake. You can see it's working. Now return the all parts. You can see there have two clips for hold the light. Let's check the all bulb now again. Press brake. Start the parking light. Start the parking light. Press brake. Push the signal button. Reverse. Reverse. You can see all is working. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.